Hey everyone, so welcome back to another video on our channel. Did you have applied for Accenture recently and also got the slot selection mails? What is the exam day procedure? Whenever you have booked your slot for exam, when your exam time is there, what are the step-by-step procedures? What are the multiple informations, notification and WhatsApp messages you are going to receive from Accenture, and what that means, and what are the important things you should keep in mind so that you do not miss your opportunity even though you are performing very well. So these things you must keep in your mind while giving your exams, and these mistakes you should not do, because even if you are performing very well, but if you are ignoring these things, then there is a high chance you are going to waste your Accenture opportunity. So what are the things we are going to discuss about today? But before moving on, if you are new to the channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button, join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel from the description box link, and also make sure to click on the bell icon after subscribing, because we post multiple hiring, onboarding, interview and onboarding and industry updates every day regularly. Make sure not to miss out. So first of all, those candidates who have already completed their exams on 2nd May, they have multiple 3 slots, so many candidates have completed. So we are going to discuss all about their updates, and those candidates who have exams in the next batches, like 3rd May, 4th May or any other batches if you have, this video is going to be very useful for you guys. So first of all, there is going to be the cognitive and aptitude round. They are 90 minutes, 90 questions. So after submitting that test, you are going to get a message in your WhatsApp that congratulations, you successfully completed your cognitive and technical and aptitude assessment. And those message does not mean that you have cleared it. Okay, they will say that within few minutes or soon you are going to receive your information or notification about the next stages. And after some time you are also going to get that if you have cleared this round, or if you have not cleared this round, whatever will be the case, they will send that information through a WhatsApp message within few minutes. Okay, and that's the time when many people make mistakes, because they complete one round and they keep their laptop off and go somewhere else or do something else, and they think that the result will come within few days. No, the result will come immediately, and immediately your coding round is going to start. If you clear the first round, immediately within few minutes the next round coding round is going to start. So do not close your laptop, go somewhere else or anything. You are going to get coding round exam link and all within few minutes, and you have to start your coding round within few minutes only, otherwise you will miss your Accenture opportunity. So those candidates who have completed today's exam for both aptitude and like the cognitive and technical assessment, that is the pseudocode and all, I'm going to post a video by tomorrow morning about all the questions and their solutions. And also those who have completed their coding rounds, generally there are 2 coding questions, as I have mentioned, that 45 minutes time, 2 coding questions. So I'm going to post about those coding questions also, like what have come today, and their solution and explanation as well. By tomorrow morning I'm going to post these 2 videos, so make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Okay, and after completing the coding round also, you are going to get the same message, congratulations, you have completed the coding round. And again after a few minutes you are going to get the message that if you have cleared the coding round or not. And after this you can leave your laptop, close your laptop, because the next round, that is the communication round, that will happen after few days or weeks. Okay, that will come differently in your mail, the dates and all. Okay, that will happen on a later time, but coding round and the aptitude, the first round, is going to happen simultaneously, one after another. So do not go away and do not waste your opportunity. So that's it. If you have any other questions also, make sure to comment down or ask in our Telegram groups.